You have a couple of specific keywords that you are up there for. And the number one keyword cluster that I would recommend that you go after, just because it's a low hanging fruit, is lip gloss,
Okay.
like glitter lip gloss.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Those are like our two top selling products.
My brain was going nuts. And that's why I call myself Knowledge Vomit, because I'm so excited to have to rein myself back in here. You're ranking number 18 for something called Sponge Mom. Does that even resonate? Okay. You were ranking 22 for cosmetics headband.
Okay. Oh, yeah. We sell a decent amount of those as well.
What is like your perfect product, your best seller where you have the best profit margin? Plus, it's an easy one to ship or fulfill.
Definitely our lip glosses for sure.
This is so cool. Just to keep this for later, okay, because I got to vomit on you for a second. That could be a really good like ad targeted for the mommy and daughter package for Christmas, especially if you had a little cute thing you could put it in, like a pouch or something.
Yeah. We have these small little boxes that we put stuff in.
Super cool. All right. Then it came glitter lip gloss. You were ranking 35 for,
Okay.
I'm going to mark the cosmetics headband here though, because the search volume on average per month is 210 for the headband. It's
Okay.
now there's obviously probably fluctuations. That means on average of the whole year, what I was looking for is this nice little cross section of where you're ranking in the top 100 when the search volume's high, the search difficulty, like how hard it is to rank. But the lip gloss stuff really fell in there. So the glitter lip gloss is at search volume of 480. At 36 and 37, you were ranking for holographic eyeshadows.
Oh, okay. Yep. We have those too. Yeah.
Okay.
We just actually added those a couple of months ago. So I'm surprised they're ranking.
So that might be good to note. I'm just going to put that over here to the side because the search volume for that is 1,000. So that's one reason why I love keyword research. You also inform, is this a opportunity? Does this make sense for us or whatever? So all stuff for you to think about. And next up was more glitter lips gloss. You ranked 44, and that's got a search volume of 3,600. So definitely that kind of goes in our target there. And then lip gloss with sparkles.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Isn't that
Yeah.
interesting?
Yeah. That's funny. That's all us.
That's the other thing about SEO is it shows you what people type in. I don't know if you use that on your website or not. Yeah. So lip gloss with sparkles, that has 1,300. Then the next one was mom makeup. And so I know you had
Okay.
mentioned the mommy and me. So I'll put that here just to make a note. You were ranking 52 for that, 55 for makeup for mom,
Okay.
which also is just a variation of mom makeup. So it still has a search volume of 1,000. Then you have a variation glitter lip glosses,
Okay.
and that's got that same search volume of 3,600 for a lip gloss sparkle, lip gloss with glitter, sparkly lip gloss, glitter for lips. It's slightly different. And I didn't know if, because I know sometimes glitter is separate.
Oh, yeah. We don't have any glitter for lips, so we do have glitter lip gloss.
Then it comes up sparkly lip gloss. And we're up to ranking number 74 now for this one. Sparkly lip glosses, a variation of lip gloss with sparkles, sparkly lip gloss, glitter lip,
Okay.
and then lip gloss glitter. So I almost feel like that glitter lip, lip gloss glitter, and glitter for lips is
Mhm.
yeah,
Yeah.
like related, but maybe a sub segment or something.
Okay.
And then glitter glosses
Okay.
keyword, which is great because it's at 880 a month
Oh, okay. Okay.
and 92 for that one.
Okay.
I love lip gloss. Like I don't wear makeup. I'll wear it on special occasions if I straighten my hair or something. And then at number 97, which was Boss Mom. Awesome. So what we are dealing here is 5 potential content clusters
Okay.
that I'm going to share my screen with you. Uh,
Okay.
okay. I'll just demonstrate with this particular one. Like this is an example for me. Like on our podcast, we were just talking about Google Search Console, how content works on your website is it's no longer just about a single keyword. It's about authority. And this is where I would really want you to brainstorm like either conversations that you've had, conversations that you could have, then we could like transcribe and turn it into a blog post instead of just like one page saying we do lip gloss. It's if you can have multiple pages about lip gloss, maybe
Okay.
just a little bit of multimedia, even if you got on a Google Meet like this with somebody and talk
Okay.
about just the advantages of your lip gloss over some others or like the clean elements of it versus other touches. This also helps identify what you need to talk about if you're going to create some media because it gives you the keywords right here.
Okay.
So, anyway, the options here for you, we could choose one of the top lip gloss keywords to build our content planner around, or you could do holographic eyeshadows, or you could do mom makeup, or you could do boss mom. Not to overwhelm you, I think we should do one at a time.
Gotcha.
And I also want to do it for you. But I'll show you how it's done and you can decide for yourself like, okay, can I do this or would I like Crystal to help me with this or do I got it? So
Mhm.
there's a couple different ways that we can go about this.